Let's have our activity related about the order of operation. PEMDAS. So remember the correct order. P is for E is for exponent. M D A addition. S subtraction. Okay, so meaning to say ng order of operation, sunod-sunod sila. Sunod-sunod ang pag, so pinaagian niya nga pattern. Okay, let's have Jillian. Please answer the following question. 4 plus the quantity of 3 times 2. Very good. So first, dapat isolve tong naa sa sulod sa parentheses katong quantity na 3 times 2. So ang 3 times 2, 6 of course. Nya i-plus ito nimo ang 4. So that is why 10. Correct. Let's have Sophia. The quantity of 2 plus 3 times 5.
25.
Okay, so why is it 25? Because katong nasa sulod sa parentheses, katong 2 plus 3, 5 ang answer. Dayon, i-times nimo ang 5. So that is why 25. Aljin, 2 plus the quantity of 3 times 5.
19.
Okay. Wrong. 2 plus the quantity of 3 times 5. So first, you're going to solve 3 times 5, which is 15. Nya, plus 2, 17. Okay. Study. Let's have Prince. Okay, Prince. The quantity of 8 minus 3, close parentheses, times 2. The quantity of 8 minus 3, close parentheses, times 2. 10. Okay? So, please do study PEMDAS. Okay? So, order of operation, mga basic mathematical expression operation man na sila. So, much better mag self-study also sa balay. Kasabot? Okay, fighting!
Fighting.